you can see the car is in drive and the camera is still on.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to show you how to access the hidden menu on your G37 and how to have your camera on while you're driving. This is useful if you got a modified G37, you want to see the flames from your exhaust, or you just want to be careful and have your camera on so you can kind of measure the distance while you're driving forward.
Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the car so you can see. If you do have a G35, not every G35 comes with a backup camera, but this trick is still going to work. I have the G37, so this works with the... So it's pretty common to get a backup camera on the G37. It wasn't an optional package, but as you can see, if I put this into reverse, the rear view camera comes in, and that is obviously very useful when you're reversing your car, parking it. But sometimes you just want to keep your car in drive, and as you can see, obviously, the camera goes away. So how do you make sure that the camera stays on even while you're driving? Now, as silly as it might sound, because a rear view camera, why would you want to have it while you're driving? Well, especially if you're stuck in stop and go traffic, you can kind of see the cars behind you. And if you've got a modified G37, like I said, you got a modified exhaust, you want to see the flames, you can actually do it from here, and you don't need anything like a GoPro mounted on your car. So once I have it here, we're going to go ahead and turn off the audio. That's the first thing you want to do. So you can see the audio is off right now. If it's not, you have to press this button once to turn off the audio. Once that's done, we're gonna locate the settings button right here, and of course your volume knob. So we're gonna hold the settings, and we're gonna simultaneously go ahead and rotate the volume knob. I'm recording with one hand, so it might get a little bit tricky, but it's probably very easy to do if you don't have your phone with you. So let's go ahead and try that. Once you do that, it's gonna get you into the hidden menu. So let's go ahead and do this. And as you can see, the screen just changed up. It's got self-diagnosis, confirmation, adjustment. You don't have to worry about self-diagnosis. You want to go ahead and go one more, go to confirmation, adjustment. So this is the diagnostic menu in your G37. If you've never accessed it, this is how you access it. It's got a bunch of different settings that you can use, even if you're not doing a diagnosis on your car, like a speaker test, vehicle signals, climate control, navigation. You can all basically modify the settings from here. But what we care about is, we're going to keep going down, and we're going to go to this camera settings right here. So we're going to go ahead and press OK. You're going to be met with two options: connection confirmation, just to make sure the camera is connected, or you can do adjust offset of rear view camera. So once you press OK, it turns on the camera. As you can see, this is a diagnostic mode because you're able to mess with all these settings. This is what you can do to use the dial to retweak it if something has messed up from your original settings. But you can see the car is in drive and the camera is still on. The car's in drive, camera is on. So let's go ahead and drive real quick, and you can see it won't go away and will remain here. So I'm gonna post it here. We can see we're moving forward, and you can see the car is moving forward, but the rear camera is on. So this is very useful to have your rear view camera on while you're driving. If you wanted to do that, you gotta release the parking brake because it's making all this noise. But yeah, this is how you do it, and it's pretty useful, especially if you're stuck in a lot of stop and go traffic. There we go. Now put this car into park, but because we're still in diagnostic menu, the camera remains on. You can see it's still there. You just snap out of it, you can press back, and you get back to the setting. If you want to mess with other settings, you can also do that from here. But this is one of the settings we wanted to show you in terms of how to access the rear view camera while you're driving your G37. Again, very useful to have, and just like a neat party trick to do. Get back and come out of this diagnostic menu. It's going to reset it once you do that. It doesn't go back to your regular menu. It basically restarts your infotainment system. So if you had made some tweaks, it would be applicable now. So yeah, guys, this is how you access the rear view camera while you're driving forward. Very useful to have. Just a neat little party trick to show your friends and family that you can have your camera on while you're driving. I hope you found this video to be helpful. This doesn't mess up anything, so if you're just kind of curious with other settings in the diagnostic menu too, I encourage you to try them out. You might find more Easter eggs in your G37. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and comment below
what is your favorite Easter egg on your G37, and of course subscribe for more videos.